Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the Poki Dance emote from the game Fortnite. Thank you Pokimane for creating such an awesome dance. You rock! And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, for being the first one to request it. Okay, so I'm gonna break the dance into two parts, and I'm gonna break it down, so I'm gonna make it as easy as possible for you guys. Okay, so let me show you a quick preview of part one. So part one goes tap, 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 wah, wah, wavy, wavy, hey, hey. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So the hand goes up to your head like this, and then you wanna take right on top and left here at the bottom, and then you want to say back to the first position. Yeah, so just tap, tap, tap. From here you want to say wah, wah. So you're taking your hands like this and you're saying roll, back, roll. So let's just try that. We're gonna say ta, 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 wah, wah. Let's just try that. I'm gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna go wah, 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 wah. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ta, 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 wah, wah. Now remember, you can always change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, so let's just practice again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ta, 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 wah, wah. Now that was just the arms. Now you want to say, the legs are saying left, up, yeah. So I'm just going to show it from the side. Yeah, so left knee pops up here, and I'm on my toes. And then I want to say switch, switch. Yeah, so I'm saying left up, right up, left up, down. Let's just try that. Left up, right up, left up, down. We can count to 8, and then we're gonna practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left up, left up, down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left up, left up, down. Now, when we go down, we wanna lean a bit forward here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show it from the side. So we're gonna go wah, 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 down. Alright, let's just practice that one last time. Just the legs, and then lean at the end. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left up, left up, lean. Now, you want to combine it with the arms as well. So you want to say here, yeah, so left up, right up, left up, and to the front. Let's just try to practice that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left up, left up, front, here. Let's just try that one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go top, left up, one, one. Now the next part, we want to say arms are saying wavy. Yeah, so they cross in here, and then they move out. So it's like a snake, right? And we're doing 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2. And while you're doing this, you want to go step out with your left and step back in. Yeah, so 1, 2. Let's just practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2. Now from here, the right goes up to your head, aye sir, and the other one goes down to your hip, here. And then you want to say hip to the side. Yeah, so I'm having almost all of my weight on my right here, and the left is just up here. Yeah, so I'm going to go wah, wah. So I'm moving my hip, right, right. So here, right, right. Let's just rewind a bit. So from the snake part, so let's practice snake, snake, hip, hip. Let's try that. We're gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna say snake, snake. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go snake, snake, hip, and hip. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go snake, snake, hip, hip. So let's try one last time, a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go snake, snake, hip, hip. Okay, so let's do from the tip to top. So meaning from this part, and then we do snake, snake, and then last part as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna do the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go wa, ta, ta, wa, wa, and then snake, snake, hey, hey. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ta, 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 wa, wa, snake, snake, hey, hey. Now a bit about the timing. So the dance is actually on counts, so it goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's just try it one last time to the counts. So I'm gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna say 1 and 2. Yeah? So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, moving on to part 2. So let me just show you a quick preview of the next part here. We ended here. Hey, hey. Then it's ha, ta, ta. Shoot and shoot. Round and around and cheese. Super Asian. Okay, so let me break it down for you. This is gonna be super easy because we already know the first part, yeah? So she's basically just repeating this part. From here, you wanna say step with your left, yeah? And notice that I'm pushing my hip out to my left side here, yeah? And yeah, at the same time also leaning to my right side here. And then I wanna do the opposite, yeah, so stepping out to my right, leaning to my left, or shooting my hip out to my right. So it's just step and step. Let's just practice the step part. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go step, step. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step. Now the hands are saying pistol, pistol. Yeah, so we're going pistol, pistol. Try to practice that. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go pistol, pistol. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pistol, pistol. From here, also semi-easy. You just move your hip around. So when I say around, I just mean go back and then to my left side here. Yeah, so it's actually only half a circle. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Here, and then it's out, cheese. So let's just try to practice step, step, around, around. Yeah, so we're getting here to our left side. So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go step, step, around, around. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go step, step, around, around. Okay, let me just show you the last move as well. So right after circle, circle here, your arms are gonna say out, and then you wanna say cheese. Your hips will say out to your right, and then back to your left. Yeah, so at the same time, it's gonna look like this. Out, cheese. Let's just practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go out, cheese. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, cheese. Okay, so now let's recap part 2 here. So this is end of part 1. So right after this, we're gonna say new part, whoop, whoop, step, step, around and around, out, cheese. Alright, so let's just practice whole part 2 here. Let's stand like this, end of part 1, and then we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, tap, tap. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go tap, 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 step, step, around, around, pull out, cheese. Now the timing for the second part here, it's also 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's practice to the counts now. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Now let's try it one last time, a bit faster. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Alright guys, now let's tie the whole thing together. So part 1 and part 2, I'm gonna do a quick preview, then we're gonna do a quick run through, and then we're gonna practice. So a quick preview is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Alright, now a run through. So tip top, left knee up, right knee up, left knee up. So it goes wah, wah, wah. Your hands are saying side of your head, right up, left down, side of your head again. So when you combine it, it's tap, tap, tap. From here, you want to say lean to the front and go wah, wah. From here, you want to say snake, step with your left and go back. From here, you want to say right up, left down to your hip here. And then you want to say hip to your right, back, right. And then from here, you want to say, repeat the first part. So wah, tap, tap. And then you want to take a step with your left, shoot here by your hip. And then the opposite, right. Now you want to say hip moves around, so back, and then to your left. From here you want to pull up your arms, and hip goes to the side, to your right side. And then you want to bring them back up, hip goes back, cheese. Okay, that was a super quick run through, but let's just skip to the practice part now. So I'm going to count to 8, and then we're going to say 1 and 2. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Alright guys, now let's try it one last time, a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. So now you just need to practice it over and over again and gradually speed up until you can do it fast. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Poke Dance emote from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.